Hello everyone, how is it going? In this video, we are going to see the difference between much and many. That's coming up. Much and many. They are referred to a large amount. Let's talk about many. Many is used with countable nouns. Countable nouns are things you can count, okay? It refers to a large amount of things. For example, how many dollars do you have? In this sentence, dollars is the countable noun. How many books do you read? How many students are there in your classroom? Now, let's take a look with much. Much is also referred to a large amount, and it is used with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are things that you can't count, okay? For example, how much money do you have? In this sentence, money is the uncountable noun. Next example. How much milk do you want? In this sentence, milk is the uncountable noun. Okay? How much water do you drink every day?